Tonight, same-sex marriage is legal nationwide after the Supreme Court made a landmark decision in a 5-4 vote. Here in Southeast Texas, many advocates are celebrating their victory. KFDM's Haley Boole joins us live now from Fame on Orleans Street in Beaumont. And Haley, it's a celebration all planned out tonight, isn't it?
Greg, it's a celebratory mood already. About a dozen people here right now, but the bar is planning to host a big crowd celebrating today's ruling. You can hear the music already going, see the lights. Now the bar has even a pageant planned that they say will only add to the celebratory mood. Judges' table is set up. Over in the corner, they have a crown ready to place on the winner at the end of the night. But the big question for a lot of people celebrating the ruling is, when can they get married? Across Texas, same-sex couples have lined up to get their marriage licenses, but today that's not happening in Jefferson County, at least for now.
Yeah, we'll come here to get our marriage license, and then we're going to have a big wedding.
Shondi Test has one thing on her mind outside the Jefferson County courthouse: marrying her fiance, Mona.
My parents will get to see me get married, and it's just almost unbelievable. I really never thought I'd live to see this day.
The couple got engaged 2 years ago, and they've been waiting for this day when the Supreme Court legalized same-sex marriage.
The tears just came. It was just such an emotional moment. I just overwhelmed with emotion.
But the emotional moment of saying I do for same-sex couples in Jefferson County,
I expect to have a line out the door.
We'll have to wait at least for a while.
I'm just waiting to get the okay to make sure that everything is in place and it's legal as it should be.
County Clerk Carolyn Guidry says she plans to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, but not until she meets with the district attorney to get the legal okay.
We want to make sure that once we do start issuing the marriage license, we want to ensure that there's the license that we issue there won't be unassailable.
Another obstacle, the application itself. It's not gender neutral.
I don't know that I can legally alter a state form, so that will be one of the problems, and I want to make sure that legally, what can we do about that?
Legally,
it effectively does away with the ban in Texas.
Attorney David Barlow says there's more to come.
I suspect the state of Texas will continue to fight it indirectly. There are impediments that the state can place in front of same-sex couples that want to marry now. One of the biggest issues is going to be a religious versus a secular issue.
The outcome today, a win for same-sex couples.
It's now finally starting to sink in that, you know, as I said, I'm no longer a second-class citizen.
Protection for my family and my children.
For Kathy Walker, it's a future for her, her wife, and their 2 young daughters.
It's nice knowing that they're going to grow up in a world where this is going to be the norm.
We spoke to county clerks across the area to see how they plan to respond to today's ruling. Visit KFDM.com. Reporting live in Beaumont, Haley Boole, KFDM 6 News.